next model is the HRIS model is adaption model. That is the second model. I will draw the diagram and I will explain you. So it is always based on the dimensions, based on different dimensions. This particular model is going to be considered. So human resource information system, we already understand the input output, basic input output HRIS model. In this particular model, we are going to understand the HRIS model only. So this is HRIS adaption model. So there are various types of adaptations based on the dimensions. It is going to be graph. So let us go and understand. So I will draw that human dimensions. Okay, so this is the model I am going to understand you. So HRIS adaptation model. So in this particular adaptation model, we are going to retrieve the details from various dimensions. For example, human dimensions. Human is nothing but the manpower dimensions. In this particular manpower dimensions, so innovativeness of the executives. So the new persons or humans is going to be get the new innovatives and new executions will going to taken care. Next is different capabilities of the staffs. So the staffs is going to be get the different types, going to having a different types of capabilities. Those all capabilities is going to be considered. So the dimensions means, so the various types of dimensions regarding the people or employees in a particular organizations are having the various accuracies, various skills. Those all things is going to be considered and grabbed and collected that particular data. So that is the one part. Another part is, so in this particular adoption model, they are going to understand the technical dimensions. The technical dimensions are the IT infrastructure. So regarding IT infrastructure, so what kind of infrastructure they want. So they want laptops, desktops, etc. There are so many infrastructure regarding the not only hardware, there is also having the software. So they have to establish the network, they have to connect with the various IT infrastructure organizations. So technical dimensions, what is the best infrastructure they have to take? They have to adapt what is the best infrastructure regarding a network, regarding a hardware, regarding a software. These all things is going to be taken care. At the same time, IT compatibility is also one of the thing. So this is also one of the problems. So they have to get the IT compatibility. So compatibility means which operating system will use which type of softwares, which software is compatible with which hardware, which network is going to be compatible with which type of softwares. These all things is going to be taken care. That is about the technical dimensions. These technical dimensions is in the new era, there are different types of technical dimensions are there. Those things are going to be get, and best things is going to be grabbed. So next important thing is organizational dimensions. So consider to organization, what is the goals, what is the dimensions. So advantages of the new tools, what they are going to use in the organizations, and management support. So how much support they are going to get from the higher level management. And centralization purpose. Centralization means, so once any particular server or any other thing is going to be centralized, the data is going to be served for different types of departments, and easily in the HRIS software, human resource information system software, which is very best way to retrieve the data. So next thing is environmental dimensions. So in the environmental dimensions, so we have to get up the best organization dimensions to create the model. And next thing is environmental dimensions. In the environmental dimensions, so competitive pressure. So there is every organization to organization, there are lots of competitive. What is the pressures, what are the restrictions, so what are the new ways to new way to release. This all things is going to be taken care here. And another thing is technology support regarding the environment. So which whenever you consider any environment regarding human resource information system, so very high accurate technological support must be there. There must be a vendor support, nothing but the delegate support must be there, and there must be a government support to pass the rules and regulations. So these all things is going to be taken, the best things is going to be taken, take and create the new HRIS adoption model.